Hello, is it possible to heat a garage with a diesel heater? We're gonna find out now. So welcome to Finland in a small garage. My name is Dave Steele and this is the Steele My Work channel. In this video I'm going to prepare this garage because now it is very cold here, but I'm going to start doing some work to this Ford Transit behind me. It didn't get through the inspections, so it needs some TLC now. But yeah, it is very cold here, so I need some heat in here. Let's try my diesel heater to maybe get some warmer air here inside. So for the service to this Transit I have bought some parts. Here I have a new clutch assembly, bearings, EGR valve and some other stuff. So that will come in the next video, I think. Yes. Here is the control panel and the remote device that controls that. But here is also some buttons. Yeah, and here you fill your diesel or burn fuel. And I have written in and out here because it's a little bit tricky. The black hose is for inlet. It sucks air through that filter, and from that hole it blows exhaust, and that's very hot, so you have to take caution for that so you don't burn any stuff. And here you have the cable and the fuse. So basically this is a diesel heater, and I paid 115 euros for that. So guys, I need to get the exhaust outside. So I put some wood here. The door is coming down here, so there we have a gap to pull the exhaust from. I think that's gonna work. I will have it there, and let's get some battery to it now. "12-volt battery and some hose clamps." You don't see anything here, or? Yeah, you see. What is what here now? Plus and minus. This has to be minus. Yes. So that was simple. Let's try it now. Here's the remote control. Yes, so now we click on. Now it's blowing the warm air on the battery, so I think we're going to put this pipe. Yeah. Okay, now we have the heater on, and now we just start doing some work. Yes, the heater is working really good. Uh, this heater I bought uh, half a year ago. Uh, it is mainly meant to have in our camper van when we are traveling. So, and yeah, I'm a van life guy also, but only on my free time. Yep, but this will work, and in the upcoming videos, I'm going to start service this for transit. So, but now it's so nice weather outside, so I think I have to go for some short walk. And yeah, guys, go outside and get some fresh air and don't watch my videos all the time. Yeah, nice, 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 nice. It seems that I have to get some more firewood also. So I'm heating my house with firewood. I'm doing, it can be that I'm burning 4 or 5 fires a day. We have 3 places in our house that we are burning wood. So 1 wood stove and 2 like accumulating stone stoves, or yeah, I don't know what to call them. Yeah, but I have much firewood, so that's not a problem. Yes, that was the video about diesel heater and some other stuff. But thank you for watching. Now I have to eat something, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.